What if you make a cloning gun that clones everything? Asked by xNOR'S. Everyone dies in about 90 seconds. Here's our one impossible thing. Point the gun, pull the trigger, and a perfect atom-for-atom copy appears next to the original. Everything after that is normal physics. Start small. Clone an apple. You now have 2 apples. You've also created 200 grams of matter that did not exist a moment ago. Matter is energy. 200 grams is 18 quadrillion joules. That's about 4 megatons. Your apple cost a hydrogen bomb. The energy has to come from somewhere. Say the gun is polite and takes it as heat. To pay for 1 apple, it chills 50 cubic kilometers of air to absolute zero. The sky above you becomes a vacuum. Then the rest of the sky falls into it. Don't clone fruit indoors. Scale it up. Clone yourself. 70 kilograms of new person is 100,000 Hiroshimas. You would need to freeze a block of sky 26 kilometers on a side. The clone appears neither of you enjoys the weather. But the air isn't the problem. The problem is that the gun is an object. Objects can be cloned. You're holding a thing that can point at itself. This is the part people skip. The copy is a working gun too. 2 guns. Both fire 4 guns. Call it 1 second per shot. You now have a doubling. Doubling is the fastest thing in arithmetic. It looks like nothing, and then it is everything. A gun weighs 3 kilograms. 20 seconds in, there are a million of them. 3,000 tons filling the room. 40 seconds in, they outweigh the human race. 60 seconds in, they outweigh the atmosphere. The pile now has its own gravity. The guns at the bottom are being crushed, which does not stop the ones on top. 81 seconds in, the pile outweighs the Earth. The planet is now the moon. At 101 seconds, the pile passes 3 solar masses. Nothing that heavy holds its shape. It collapses. The guns are inside a black hole now, still firing, which no longer matters. Everything they copy into the hole. The sun goes in, the planets go in, the gun clones everything, exactly as advertised, into a sphere about 9 kilometers across. The whole thing takes under 2 minutes. 90 seconds earlier, it was a paperweight. Nobody notices from far away. 100 light years out, the light hasn't arrived yet. Someone with a good telescope is watching you unwrap the box.